Hey guys, so right now we're on our way to Jeju. Everyone's vlogging. Everyone's over there on that side. Dan and April is vlogging right now. It's an hour flight, so it's okay. I'll see you later. Bye. We have arrived at Jeju. We're right now at our guest house. It's called Backpackers House. And we are sharing a room. It's the dormitory style. And it's really nice. Now that we're all in here trying. We barely got here. And it's a 6-bedroom. It's only 5 of us. Hi. We have it's all that, and then we have our own restroom, private restroom. That's really cool. And then we have like lockers as well. It's really cool. We're gonna see what we can do right now. We're all tired. We're all frustrated.
So should we get some food first, or?
Yeah, I think we're hungry, or we want to go to sleep.
Jeju?
Neil. Hey. So we're getting ready to leave. Yes. We had
No, yes, she's floating, not asking you, April. She's not
we just had like a mini breakfast that the host provided for us. He kind of helped us out. He put like a map, like ins and out. He did like a map for us. Told us where to go. And then he was really nice to us. And right now we're just getting our things to get ready and leave.
Don't stress.
They always think I'm stressing. I'm not. It's annoying. So while everyone's freezing in Seoul, we are really not freezing. It's really warm. It's really nice. And we're walking to a teddy bear museum because we got off of the wrong stop. But we found this. On our way to Teddy Bear Museum, and look what I found, guys! Look what we found! K-pop, play K-pop. They do like a hologram type of thing. It was a concert like in Neverland, and they have the YG artist and they have Rainbow. But I'm not gonna go in there. I'd rather go to somewhere else. It looks really nice. Oh, and then next to it, it's Chocolate Land, and I think we might go there. We might go there. I am totally down for chocolate, and apparently chocolate here is really good. Something to buy as a souvenir. So yeah, guys, let's go to Teddy Bear Museum. Let's see how it is. Bye bye. So the only reason I know about this museum is because of the K-drama Gung, and I found a little area dedicated to it. All the characters right there. And then right here I have more, and then I have like a little clip showing. So that's the only reason I know about this museum, because of that drama, and it's really nice seeing that. Especially since it's an old drama. I feel like fishing, guys. Let's go fishing, yeah? Let's go with my bear friends, because I'm very, yeah. Let's go. Wait, they're kind of busy. We're supposed to be quiet. Shh. Hey guys! Oh wait, you're not supposed to talk. Ah, he caught a big one! Look at that! Yes! Good job. And this one is fishing. This is bear friends on the water. And then we have some humans over here. Explanation. Oh look, guys! I'll be quiet now so I can fish. So my bear family has invited me for roast. Barbecue, guys. Yes, let's go. And I'm taking my friends because I'm really nice. Oh, they're taking a picture. Run! that was the teddy bear museum, guys. Let's see what the next stop is. Bye bye. Hey guys, so right now we're at one of the waterfalls. I am not gonna try to pronounce it, but it's we haven't really gone into the bridge because you're supposed to cross the bridge and then you'll see it, but I can kind of see it from here already. And right now this is a temple. I'm gonna walk down, meet my friends, and they're right now by the bridge taking pictures. This is like another way to go through. They went in through the stairs I was showing right now. But yeah, it's really pretty, really green, fresh. I don't know if you guys can hear the water. Oh look, oh my, it's right there, guys. Can you see it? I'm gonna try to zoom in. We're walking up the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. This is still a waterfall. It's right there. The stream is right there. I think we're going to the main one because apparently there's two. We're going to Jeju. I don't know, guys. Let's go to the bridge. But yeah, let's do this. So we're here. It's kind of crowded because the people are here as well. We're not the only ones, of course, but it's really, really pretty. Everyone's taking pictures, everyone's recording, and yeah, it's really pretty, guys. We're probably gonna go to the second one because we want to see the bridge as well. The bridge is really pretty as well. So I'll see you guys later. I feel like I'm in a Miyazaki film right now. Everything is green, leaves are falling. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's like perfect movie scene. I'm tired because the stairs were really steep. But this reminds me of a Miyazaki film. It's really pretty, right? Yeah. And it's super green. I love it. The sound, everything, nature, guys. I live in the desert, which is why I'm really amazed by this. So let's keep on going. We're going to the second waterfall right now. Right, there's a stream, guys. Oh, amazing. Let's go. Let's do this. No, it's okay.
Isn't it hot?
We are happy that we're eating, resting, we're tired. It's too hot to eat yet. So we're leaving our first home, backpacker home. We're going back to Jeju, like to the main Jeju city. We're gonna go to our next guest house, and it was good. The guest house was really awesome. The owner accompanied us to the bus stop. To the bus stop. He keeps talking. But yeah, right now we're in the bus, in the limousine bus, and to our next adventure. At Vision Guest House. This is our second home for the next 2 days.
These beds are comfy.
It's a 4-bedroom, but we're gonna try to see. We're gonna get another bed for the 5 of us. It's really nice. It has a kitchen. Ah, I got stuck. Kitchen right there.
It's really cozy in here.
And then
I feel like we're in a cabin.
it does feel like that. I guess because of the wood smell.
Yeah.
And then we have our restroom right there as well. We have like a living room outside. It has like 4 tables. Right now it's dark because the owner's not here yet because she let us in soon. We're supposed to check in at 3. And then the rest of the place.
Because remember my app was freaking out.
We're probably gonna go have lunch right now and start exploring. Bye bye. This is Jeju North. We're gonna go to right there. I don't know if you guys can see it where the lighthouse is because I want to take a picture right there. It's really sunny, but it's kind of chilly. Really nice.